Hi, this is a quick fix for the Xiaomi m365 scooter, electrical scooter. I just got this one like 2 days ago, and I noticed that the handlebar has this little blade to it. You can see is actually not the junction, because every single person seems to be really focusing on this junction. This one is one of the really recent ones. Manufacturing date I think is September 2018, but this one has a little rattle on this junction, on this really small part, and I couldn't find any video on YouTube focusing on that one. So what I'm going to do today is trying to show you how to fix that one, how to tighten the actual junction. So what you first need to do is to remove this part, this plastic part. If you have nails, you can do it fairly easily, because it's just pasted with, I don't know, some kind of glue or double-sided tape, and you will find right there this little screw, and the second one is actually beneath the handlebar. So all you need to do is untighten those screws, and I'll be back. Right, after you removed the screws with a simple Phillips head screwdriver, this light will come off. Be careful, because there is a cable in there, and actually what you need to tighten are those three little Allen screws. You can see them right there. So the Allen tool that comes with the actual scooter will not do. You will need a bigger one. This is the one that I am using, and this is the problem. And as you can see, after tightening them all, especially the lower one, the handlebar is no longer rattling. So yeah, I mean, that should be it. You will need to remount this and repaste the front cover, and that would be it. It won't rattle, at least the handlebar, anymore. I don't know if the junction is going to fail me anywhere soon, but there you go.